Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a scrolling timeline animation in CapCut. So it's pretty much cool if you are talking about any timeline and you want to show your current timeline or a specific timeline or a specific year, then you can simply do it and it can actually make your editing more creative. So from here you have to simply click on the text from here. So I'm going to add a text first. So here's the default text. Now from here in the text box you have to select all of the text and delete it, and you can enter the text like I'm going to start with 1900. So just like this, and enter, and you have to complete this process until it just look like this. So 1930. So I have just added all of this timeline from here that I want. So here you can see the text here. So you can simply you can now set that text, the font style. From here you can simply click on it and select a preferred font that you want for your timeline. Just like this, you can go with this one or this one. So I'm going with this one here, so it's pretty cool. Now you have to scroll from this right side, navigate the control section. You have to scroll down. When you find the transform, you can find the position option here. So you have to add a keyframe at the very beginning of your this texture. So now you have to just set it from here. Just let me show you. Right click on it and create compound clip here. So I have just added it, and from here, you have to first I'm going to add the keyframe again, just like this, the position here. So I have just added the position from here, and you have to simply scroll it at the very bottom, just like this. Yeah, from here to at the very last, you have to go to the very last of the clip or the text from here, and you have to go to the position again, and you have to simply scroll it up till you find 20 the timeline that you want to add at the middle, just like this. So I'm going to add it like this. So yeah, it's pretty much cool here. So from here you can see it has just added the animation on the texture. Now you have to right click on that texture. So now watch carefully. So first you have to simply click on this speed this show the available variable speed animation, where you can find the X and Y section. So you have to simply click on Y, and from here you have to simply right click on it and show all presets. Simply click on show all preset, and from here you have to select this rainbow out. So you have to simply download it and you can add that rainbow out here. So I'm going to expand that section from here just a little. I'm going to expand it just like here. So you have to simply click on that first, and you have to simply add that here just like this. So click on it until you can find this blue line from here. Now you have to place it horizontally with that line here as much as possible. You can increase that line here just a little bit. So I'm going to add it to the, sorry for that, we have to simply click on that line here again, just like this. Click it on it carefully. So you have to click on it carefully. You can simply click on it. Here it is. Now I'm going to add it to this here, and we are going to make it just like this. And yeah, and now we have to simply make sure that both of those these line are actually matched in the exact place. you have to make sure that this both line actually at the same place. So it is actually mistaken by me each and every time. Now here you can see I have just placed it at the same position here. You can go with this measurement bar here, the measurement line here, so it will just look like this. So this animation is pretty cool. Now from here we are going to hide that from here. So we are going to hide that just like this. Now after doing that, we are going to add it as a compound clip. So right click on it, now create a compound clip. So we have added a compound clip from here, and after adding that compound clip, you can simply click on it and simply go to the video where you can find the mask option here. Simply click on it and add a mask, and after adding the mask, you can simply go to the very last where your last or exact timeline has been added. Now again we are going to get the mask here. Now just like this, here it is. So we are going to add this and make sure that all of the measurement is perfect at the top edge and bottom edge and right and left edge also. Now from here you can select a feather here, so you can just add a feather like this, so it will just look like this. Now from here, if I just play that video, it will look like this. So that's how you can simply create a timeline animation on CapCut. So it's pretty simple. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.